You guys need to let go. Oh,
I knew I was going to fall in. Well, I can't go now. There went that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's go back. Patty can cross back down over here.
keep coming.
Oh, I got to go all the way now. There's no way I can go on that.
Yes, you can.
No. You have to fix it. I can't fix it.
Look, it's just fine. It's not going to go anywhere. You weigh like 100 pounds.
What? No way. That is slick and it's going over. Here, you want me to help you? Because I'm really good. Where to go? There's no way. That is totally moving. Move that. Fix that one that I moved. How? Grab it. Are you filming this? Oh my gosh. How do you loosen all them? Yeah, it's good.
My big butt.
I'm pretty sure it was me that did it.
I'm so proud of you, Angie.
The thing is, I hate wet shoes. Like I hate. It's a strong word.
Hey, whose idea was this?
Oh my God. Way better balance than me. Wow, no, I almost went.
Oh, I'm saving this.
That was